Hello, my friend, Chef Blondie here. You know, it was 14 degrees this morning, and right now it's dark, it's dreary, it's cold, it's raw outside. My somewhat capable sous chef, old Fuzz Face, and I want something warm and satisfying for dinner tonight, but we just don't have the time to prepare the meal. In cases like this, we turn to Jacques Pepin's cookbook, Quick and Simple. So for tonight, we're going to prepare an easy dish. It's a pot of mushroom soup. To make this soup a little more filling and comforting, Jacques adds some yellow cornmeal. I think he does this to thicken it up a little bit. And it just so happened that Fuzzy milled some corn yesterday, and it's as fresh as it can be. To go along with this soup, we're going to have sourdough bread made with all hard white wheat, which Fuzzy did this morning. And so we're going to give it a go. Happy cooking. For this recipe, you're going to need unsalted butter, mushrooms, leek or scallions, chicken stock. We're going to use vegetable broth, yellow cornmeal, cream, salt, ground black pepper, and chopped chives. We're going to add approximately 2 tablespoons of butter. I like to add a little bit more because I like butter and pepper. It's just me. I'm going to melt this. It's over here. And then when this melts in the pan, then we're going to add our mushrooms and our leek, which has been sliced thinly. And our mushrooms, 8 ounces, are just chopped coarsely. We're going to put those in here when the butter melts. And we're going to cook them approximately about 3 minutes. The butter is melted, so now we're going to add our leek and our mushrooms. Ooh, that's a lot. But you know what? It always cooks down. I say this every time. You know, and as always, it just smells so delicious. The smell of those leeks and that butter, it's unbelievable. And you know what? You need something like this on one of these cold, dreary days. Sun isn't shining, and it's just really cold and dreary out there. Okay, it's been 3 minutes, and this is cooked down nicely. Now we're going to add our stock. And like I said, you know, it calls for chicken stock, but sometimes I just want a meatless meal, so I'm going to add vegetable stock or broth, whatever. There we go. Oh, overboard. You know, sometimes this particular measuring cup always does this to me. No matter what I do, it always pours out funny. So we're going to bring this up to a simmer, and then we're going to add our cornmeal, and then we're going to cover it and cook it approximately 5 minutes. You know what, though? My sous chef, he is so good. He always cleans up my mess. God bless his little heart. Okay, when your stock and your mushrooms and your leeks come to a full boil, we're going to add 1/4 cup of cornmeal, and we're going to whisk it in. I'm going to turn this down a little bit. And once we whisk it in, we're going to cover it and cook it for about 5 minutes. And I've not made this recipe before. I've done other recipes with mushroom soup by Jacques, but this is a different one, so let's give this one a try. All right, let's cover this and cook it for 5 minutes. Put it down to low. All right. Here we go. Okay, here we go. It's been 5 minutes. See what we've got. Ooh, smells good. Check. Stir. Oh yeah. All right. Looks good. Okay, now we're going to add our cup of cream. Oh, beautiful. And our salt and our pepper. You know, it's up to you how much you want to put in here. You know, I'm just going to put just a little bit, and, you know, it's up to you. But the pepper, on the other hand, love my pepper. Then I'm going to turn this up and get it simmering again. Looks really good. I can't wait to give this a try. All right, this leek mushroom soup from Jacques Pepin, it looks delicious, you know, and it came out beautifully. So I added some chives on the top just for a garnish. So let's give this a try. Oh, there's a beautiful little mushroom and a leek there. And it's very hot. And, you know, of course it goes well with Fuzzy's sourdough bread. All right, let's see what we have here. You can taste those mushrooms and the leek flavor. It just comes out. It's just beautiful. It's very mild, but yet it's such a warm, gratifying soup for this time of year. And, you know, I know you're going to love this. It's just absolutely wonderful, and it warms my soul on this cold, dreary day. Happy cooking. Good job, Fuzz.